Have you ever realized how a single small action can lead to massive breakthroughs? Picture this, a line of standing dominoes. That first tiny nudge topples the first domino, which pushes the next, which eventually cascades into an extraordinary sequence. This is called the domino effect. But here's the thing, they don't have to be massive at the start. Even the smallest domino can topple one slightly larger than itself, creating an exponential impact over time. Now let's apply this to your life. Achieving your goals doesn't mean sprinting to the finish line straight away. It's in the series of smaller, calculated steps that you will find momentum. Each step not only gets you closer to your vision, but also builds confidence and expertise. Maybe it's waking up 15 minutes earlier. Maybe it's making one healthier meal choice a day. Maybe it's adding one more phone call to your daily work schedule. These are your foundation dominoes, perfectly aligned to push over bigger dreams. The magic lies in consistency. Every day that you choose to move even the tiniest domino forward, you're setting up opportunities for greatness in unforeseen ways. So the next time you hesitate, remind yourself, it's not about flipping your world overnight. It's about tipping over that very first domino and watching the magic unfold. Start with the small, build your success, then let it all topple into a brighter future.